and welcome back to another short video from the gardening guys. So we've come across some hooks. You might have seen them used elsewhere, but I've put them to good use. So remember that shed, how all the tools were all over the place? So this is what's now been done. Got all the tools on hooks on the wall. I've even moved this. It's a extender arm for a vent on top of a glass house. So we've got these hooks now. So yeah, we can put all the tools. I'm just going to switch them two around because that's going to annoy me else. Don't have OCD, but that's going to piss me off knowing that there's, there you go, forks, spades. So yeah, that's done. And then over here we've got our two hose on the wall, so that's good to go. And then we go back into the shed. A neat little trick. So we used to have the strimmer down here, like resting on the toolbox. Not anymore. It's on another hook, so that when we do need to use the strimmer, we can just run up and grab it, and it's straight off the hook on the wall. So just little improvements, just making our lives just a little bit easier. So it's all out the way. I'm not sure if that battery needs charging. I will check, but I think I'll put that with that battery right there. Put the drill away. That drill was struggling as well when I was doing the hooks in the shed. It was at me. So not sure what's going on with that. I think I need to start bringing mine, but we'll see. Anyway, so thank you very much for watching. I'm going to leave that one here. It's only a short one. I need to remind Shane to bring my cord reel back. He's used it to bring take the water out of the tank, so everything in here has been watered using the cord reel and the pump, which he did bring down. All the water butts have been filled. Let's have a quick look at the water level and just check he has turned the tank off, which he has. That's where we're at now. I was doing little bits with the pond yesterday using a watering can, trying to fill the pond. It just took forever and I didn't even get much in there. So done. And there's a video, one of the previous ones or maybe one of the next ones, depends which order I release them. We fixed the filter. The pump has now got filter foam in it, so we won't get any more clogging issues. Although saying that, I think it's already got blocked. Look. That's not what it should be doing. I don't know, I'm brave for holding my phone over a pond. So yeah, that needs to be looked at. I can't go up because Shane's got the radio on. But Shane is digging over. And then he's also going to do where we had the elephant garlic. And he's also, I'll quickly, so we don't get copyrighted, cleared the sunflowers because they're all dead now. So he's got some rubbish and he's doing something with these. I think he's keeping the seeds. So water butt filled, not very nice looking water, but, and all the tomatoes also had a water. And we are doing reasonably but well with these tomatoes. There's a few like that one that I will take off, but they are doing really well. So we should have some more tomatoes very soon. And everything else had a water, all the mint, and I even watered these roses. So yeah, everything else is doing really well. So I've just got to put his bike trailer back in, and then we are good to go. I'm always curious as to what is actually in this one. Shall we go and have a look? There's a little shed on the back. I've always been, he's got boxes and stuff in there. So we'll go and have a, as they say, curiosity shall kill the cat. And if he's got an empty toolbox. What the fuck is in here, Shane? He's got a bench. How nice. Are these empty? What's he doing, man? He's got perfectly good boxes here. He's got a nice standing one. That obviously had drill bits in. I don't need one for drill bits. I just need one that I can hollow out, and it's a nice Bosch case there too, with a spider on it. Glad I'm not scared of spiders. Yeah, another one that had drill bits and attachments in. I wonder if he's got any others. Might have to come back down tomorrow with an empty backpack and take them, because they're fucking decent boxes. Let's see this. Tarp and plastics and a brick. Interesting. So yeah, we don't really use this, I'm not gonna lie. He's got a window open here that's tied to the shed. I'm not sure why, because it does. And he's also got tape over that. I never noticed that before. But yeah, we don't really use this. It's more, by the looks of it, for storage. But yeah, this is where, so the gutter runs here for the tank, which is literally just there. The water that runs off this roof just drops and hits the floor. But we're hoping to fix that soon. So hopefully we can get the water off this roof, this one, into the water butt that's there, conserving even more water. So I shall, oh no, attempt to reclose that and pop the brick back. That's not really a brick, it's more of a air debris block. Yeah, there's a bit of cleaning up to do down here. So around the water tank, we've always had this issue. It's caked in rubbish. And just check that that is off, which it is. Whoops, that shouldn't have twisted. And then yeah, we're good to go. So yeah, there's not much else. I'm heading off for today, so I think Shane's staying for a little bit longer. We've done 3 videos today, so there's loads of content coming out. I'm literally just gonna go up, my bike is literally just behind Shane, put some air in the tyres and I'm gone. I think Shane is staying, but I can't go up and talk to him because he's got the radio on. So there goes that one. But yeah, I'll show you in here. So Shane has had a bit of a, it was covered in one of the previous videos, but he's had a bit of a tidy up in here. So all of the horsetail that was by the trees have gone. Just general weeded. It's all been watered today, and these are doing fantastic. And just general rubbish in the centre. But there's one tree out of 2, so that one's doing okay. Just seems to be slacking just a little bit, but we'll keep an eye on that. This one, however, is going full ham. Don't know, we'll just have to keep an eye on it. And it is flight and bee central in here. It's like a hotel for them. But yeah, we're good to go. So what I will do is I'll step back into the office, the shed, and I'm going to get going. So thank you very much for watching. Shane is still digging. I think he's going to be digging for quite some time because he's still got the where the elephant garlic was, and I think he's also doing a little bit on the other side. So we'll leave him down here for a little bit. He can get back whenever he wants to be done. And yeah, we'll leave you with that for today. So thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in the very next video. Don't forget, if you want some cheap bargains and some really good deals, go over to our website, tggofficial.co.uk, and check out our partners page. Follow us on TikTok, and of course our new verified Twitter. We've got the little blue check mark now, so we're verified with Twitter. Go and give us a follow. We do post content on there, and on our Instagram. All the links are in the description. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you very, very soon. Bye-bye.